Hi, my name is Oladele Juliet and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to create a Fiverr affiliate account, an account where you can actually get a link that you can market. So how to get an affiliate link on Fiverr. So you go to your Google Chrome or any browser on your phone. I'm using Chrome, so go to go to your Chrome, click on your Chrome and type Fiverr affiliates. So type Fiverr affiliate. So once you click on Fiverr affiliate, it should take you to a page. So once you click on type Fiverr affiliate, to take you to a page like this where you will see sign in or sign up. So you just have to sign in, okay? To be a Fiverr affiliate, you have to sign up. So you click on the sign up button and wait for it to display. Okay, click on the sign up button. So this is a Fiverr affiliate account where you get a link that you can market. So they actually pay you when people click on your link and make a purchase in the Fiverr store. When you make a purchase on the Fiverr store, you receive payment. So you enter. So after once it has displayed this, you fill all your information, your first name, okay, first name Juliet. You type in your first name. My own name is Juliet, my first name, then your last name Oladele. Okay, sorry, type in your last name Oladele, then you put in your email, okay, and see that error. So this email cannot be the same as what username. So you put username Juliet at Juliet-Oladele. Okay, put your username, then you put your password, okay, and account type a private, not a company. So once you put do you have a main source traffic, you put yes. So where you can, this place they're asking you all this question, so they will to know if you have a platform where you can market the product, okay. Then your URL of your main source, okay, sorry, you put no first, okay. So that's if you have a website, rather if you have a website where you can market, where there's enough traffic, so you can click the URL, okay. You can click the URL if you have a website. But if you don't have a website, you say no, okay. Then your country, you fill in your country. I'm from Nigeria, you put in whatever country you are from. So you fill up your information. So once you are through, you click next. So once you sign in, you after filling all your information, it's going to take you to this interface, okay. So what you do next is you come to this your dashboard and you select marketing tool, okay. Select marketing tools. When you select When you select marketing tools, you are going to go to default and deep link. You click on default. Let me highlight it. You click on default, is default and deep links. Okay, so once you click on default and deep links, let's do that. Okay, it will take you to this page. So you now copy. So there are different links that you can use, but what me I'm actually using is Fiverr CPA. That's it. So you copy the link here and you paste it somewhere. Okay, paste it wherever you want to promote. You go and paste it there. So in my next video, I'll be telling you where you can post your affiliate links, where you can market, platform or website where you can market your affiliate link. Thank you. Sorry, before I go, also if you want to, your money, if you want to withdraw your money, maybe after you have paid you, you can withdraw your money when it's up to $100. That's when you can approve for withdrawal. So once your money is up to $100, you go to you click on this arrow here and you go to payments. Okay, go to your payments and you click on request for payments, request payment. So once you click on request payments, okay, all the money will be displayed here. Okay, it's because there is no money here. You can see until you reach $100, that's when you'll be able to make a withdrawal. So that's how to get your money out of your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so for you to be able to create an account, I will attach a link to this video that will help you to, once you click on that link, it will take you directly to where you will sign up, where you will log in rather, where you will sign up for a Fiverr affiliate account. Thank you.